Our crew's trying to set it up, looking to determine which dock will be their victim. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. The wind is whipping today, and man, we have seen everybody struggle. So our cap's trying to set it up. Let's see what he does, if he's going to try and battle into the wind or possibly let the wind push him into a dock. So it looks like he's going to try and go with what I would typically say is a safe play. Let the wind push you in, but man, people have struggled with this all day too because they're getting pushed in too fast. Kind of like here, he's coming in a little hot. Oh, we're going to hit. And we're just going to turn right into it. Oh man, cap leaves the helm. A little late on that one, though. So let's see if he can just reverse this back over. Here, just get it sideways. Let the wind do its work. And they need just a little bump. Our guy goes for the step off, and they should be good to go. There we go, we've got the old boat hook out, which should assist, and they're probably going to need the assist because they're going to be taking the tougher approach, which is trying to dock into the wind. So long as they can miss the boat club rental boats here in front of them. So Cap backs up. But you can see here just how bad that wind and current's pushing today. I mean, literally it grabbed him right there. So we're going to try and set it up one more time. We're going to stick with the same dock. Wifey's got a line. Cap kind of misses again. Wifey goes for the toss. They might get an assist here on the dock, which would be nice for them. Wifey goes for toss number 2, misses again. She's trying to get the rope quickly out. 3, and it lands on the dock. And we've got it. Cat just put it in neutral now. You've got a line on. No need to fight it. And he's trying to reverse, but you're not going to get what you're looking for out of that, bro. Let him pull you in. Oh, no. What's going on? Oh! My man got lucky, too. He put his foot out trying to stop the boat. That was kind of a bad move as well. That was a quick way to lose a limb. But fortunately, we got 2 lines on. Man, it's a rough one down here today at Black Point. And our crew, he's trying to reverse out of it. And they're going to get out, and the wind and currents got them. Everybody who brake checks today, this is exactly what happens. You brake check, and that wind and current all of a sudden starts doing whatever it wants to do with you. So he's going to try and reset. Try and go back after this dock one more time. Looks like he's coming in a little wide. He's probably going to have to brake check this one back out as well. Getting the slow roll turn in. Got somebody in the bow. It looks like they're on the ready. We got another boat coming in behind him. Coming in hot behind him. And Mama's going to push the kids out of the way. Stick her own feet out. Risk herself. But they smacked the dock. It was tough to see. We were kind of being shot blocked by the boat we were focused on. But they wound up smacking the dock back there. And now our crew's struggling here as well. But I think they have it. They have their hands on the dock here. But now we still got to wait for the other boat that had the kids. They had to back off after they hit the dock. But here they come now, and we've got a hand on the pole. and they'll be good to go as well. Our crew's backing out. Oh, look out! Wifey on the ready in case they're gonna hit. But we're just gonna barely sneak by. Once again, with the wind and current today, it's just doing strange things. A lot of these people are really struggling to get it figured out. So our crew's gonna have to throw it back into forward gear and try and come back over here. See if they can get it on the dock on the second attempt. They're making their turn, coming with the approach. And he's got to come a little bit heavy bow in like he's doing, just try and fight the wind, and he's going to get the assist. We've got a line on the dock, and they'll be good to go. And here comes our Grady White crew working their way toward the dock. And they wave to the camera, the kiss of death. Now, you're fully aware you're being filmed, so now we've got to be on our A game. But I can already tell that Cap's probably not quite on his A game. A whole lot of turning going on here. When in a twin screw boat like this, typically you would just do it with a little throttle. Cap brake checks again, but the brake checks are bad here. When the wind's blowing like it is today, it'll get you all kinds of out of whack. I mean, so Cap's going at it. Gonna try and turn his way into the dock, but I think he's turned way too hard into the dock. The wind and current's pushing that way. He brake checks back out of it again. As you would expect, it's gonna turn him around. So they're gonna have to line this one completely up one more time. So Cap does the slow roll approach. Take it slow and easy. I'd just keep this pace, Cap. Maybe even if you get it lined up right, just put one of the motors in neutral and really roll in slow. But you need a little power, I guess, today as well to try and battle this wind. But he's coming really wide this time, which is probably the correct approach. Let's see if it pays off for him. Looking pretty solid so far. Angle's not bad at all. And we get the leap off. Grabs the bow rail. We're going to smack the dock a little bit. Now where's the brake check, Cap? And here we go. They're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.